Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I own the Water eStore and the Water Store, Midland, Ontario. Today we're talking about how to reset the time and bypass a WaterBoss high-efficiency water softener. US-made WaterBoss high-efficiency water softeners are extremely reliable and will last a very long time. We offer free shipping and discount pricing on WaterBoss water softeners. Just click this link up here, it'll take you right to our e-commerce store. If you've had an extended period of power outage or someone has unplugged your water softener for whatever reason, you'll need to reset the time. And that's what this video is all about. So let's start by removing the lid. Just grab it at the back where the plumbing comes in and out, lift and separate, and the lid pops right off. So the time is set as part of the customer settings on a WaterBoss high efficiency water softener. So you start by pushing the both buttons down at the same time, and you'll see it shows 18. And then when it flashes, you let go. So that 18 just tells you that it's programmed for a model 180 WaterBoss water softener. So it says S1, so we're going to press P, and that's going to take us, so you see the clock here, and it's showing 12. So right now, it thinks that it's 12 o'clock or noon. So the actual time right now is 2 p.m. So because this is a 24-hour clock, we have to change this to 14. In other words, 2 plus 12 is 14. So we move that up to 14. So now it knows that currently it's 2 p.m. So we press P again. And so now you'll see the clock and the R is flashing. So what that's telling you, that's the regeneration time. So this is the default regeneration time, 2 a.m. Time when there's very little water usage in the home. And that works out perfectly for us here. So we'll press that again. And then we just press it again and again and again, and it takes us back to our home setting. And by the way, that 5 tells us it's 5 times 100, so it has 500 gallons of capacity. With the WaterBoss, you can't set the minutes. In terms of the time, you can only set the hours, so you just set it to the nearest hour. WaterBoss has a built-in bypass, and so when the arrow is pointed here at service, that means 100% of the water passing through the water softener is softened. And if you turn it all the way over here, that means 0% of the water passing through this system is softened. It's all untreated hard water. So if you're filling up a swimming pool or watering a new lawn where you're going to be using a lot of water, that would be a good place to place that bypass. And by the way, this valve is gradiated. So what that means is you can actually turn it somewhere like this. So if there's some situation where a customer doesn't want 100% soft water, we can move it to somewhere around here, and that'll give them 90 or 95% of the water being soft, 10% of the water being hard, so it's not 100% soft. Some customers appreciate that. To replace the lid, just slide it into the tabs at the front and snap it down at the back. If you're looking for more information about WaterBoss water softeners, just click this link up here. That'll take you right to our playlist. Lots of information there. And that's it. If you like what you saw today, please click the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified all new videos that become available on this channel. I'd also really appreciate it if you share this video with your Facebook friends. For some more information, you can go to our websites, either thewaterestore.com or thewaterstoremidland.com. And again, I'm Gary the Water Guy from the Water Store, Midland, Ontario. Thanks for watching.